next.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today we're going to explain about our topic, and that is solder. First of all, we're going to introduce ourselves, and my name is Nayla Suci R.
My name is Julianah Mutiara.
My name is Rafi Ahmad.
My slide is about why we pick solder as our topic.
I'm going to explain solder treatment.
And I going to conclusion of the PowerPoint.
Okay,
Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, my name is Nayla Suci R.
My name is Aprilyadi.
I'm going to explain solder meaning.
I'm going how solder.
Solder meaning. Solder is the process of joining two or more metals using tin.
Solder treatment. Step 1. Always clean the soldering iron with fast. Step 2. Use solder as it functions. Step 3. Use solder 15 minutes after heating. Step 4. Store in a dry place and not damp. Thank you.
Solder is heating tool used to connect a circuit or component to electronic equipment.
Hello everyone, my name is Aprilyadi. How to use soldering? First, clean the part to be joined. Second, clean soldering iron tip and tin. Third, head part not soldered to be joined. Fourth, apply flux core solder to head part, not the soldering tip, and heat it till solder match and flow freely. Fifth, don't apply too much solder unnecessarily. Thank you.
So I'm going to explain my part now. We pick solder because solder is one of the most common tools in our major, and that is audio video. Solder has a big role too in making electronic stuff. So that's why we pick solder for our topic for today.
Hello everyone, my name is Rafi Ahmad from Anggota. Conclusion: solder is a metal alloy used to create strong permanent bonds such as copper joining and switchboard and copper pipe joints. It can also be supplied into different types and diameters, lead and lead free, and also can be between. Thank you for paying attention to your presentation.